Hello, Kochi. Bantu. I'll be going in that now. Vypin Fort Kochi. Tick. This is my special boat. River. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ Arabian Sea. This one way. One way. Hello, Kochi. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I'm doing super good. Super rest ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now I just stepped out to check out Kochi. So very simple plan and very few hours also. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಪಿನ್ ಫೆರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೆರಿಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮಿಂಚು ಜೊತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದು ಈಡೇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಜಾಗ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈ ಟೇಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸರ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್? No bike allowed? No, ferry.
You have to take ticket from there.
Ticket from there, huh?
Yeah, see that light. That light you see.
Thank you. Okay. Basically, I can take the ferry. Queue ಇದೆ. Queue ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. I just have to buy a ticket. Okay. So there is a priority line for ladies. I'm going to go there and stand. Yes. Men choose first. Ferry ride. Mine too. Let's see how it goes. Abba, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'm already exhausted. There's too much of humidity. But it's gonna be fun. I think that's the Chinese nut. Evening I'm gonna go there. Yay! Alright. Another 10 more minutes to go. And it's hot. It's super hot. Boat bantu. I'll be going in that now. ₹10 is the ticket. So illinda I think somewhere there. I don't know where I'll go. I have to figure it out once I go. Yep. This is the ticket. Vypin Fort Kochi. Entry fees is ₹10. I'll go. Okay, entering the ferry. Okay, here we go. We just started. Let me show you. First time. And it is so hot. Damn it. Another bucket list. Tick. Okay, I think we reached. Let me just put it on. Okay. Water metro station. Water. नहीं water metro. Straight है. Sir, water metro station. This one? Ah. Huh? End. Okay. Huh. Okay. I think I am here. ಇದು actually India the first water metro ante. So I really didn't want to miss it. I'm telling you, it is so hot. Some cool place have come. Yellow. Oh, I'm going in that yellow boat. Yay! God help me. All right. I am here. This is my special boat. Yes. Woohoo. Look where we're going. I'm having so much of fun. I'm going to leave a note on, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂತ classic dreams, classic paradise ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So from there, he is the captain of the ship. Yay! All first time. Having super fun. Let's see. What you guys are seeing here, this is the water metro, India's first water metro. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ರಿವರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಮಿಲನ. That's the first apartment of Kerala. Superb it is. All right. ಒಂದು ಬೋಟ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೋಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಡೌನ್ like this. Thank you sir. ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಆಗೈತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. I had fun. Please try next time. I am in the market road of Kochi. Yeah, full super jam. ನೋಡಿ ಗೋಡಂಬಿ, ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಬೋಂಡ ಅಂಗಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು. This one way? One way? Presenting the core Kochi for you. ಫುಲ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮ್ JC ರೋಡ್ ತರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದು. ಯಾರು ಬ್ರೇಕೇ ಒತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.